Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to open a specific page on Startup on your Google Chrome browser. So when you open up Google Chrome, you want it to open up to a specific page, say for example, Gmail or maybe bbc.com or maybe a weather channel. So let me show you how you can do this on your Google Chrome browser. So here I've got my Google Chrome browser opened up. I want to go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right. Then I want to scroll down until I see Settings. Now here I'll go ahead and click on Startup on the left hand side. And now here I can set the options. So on Startup I can open a new tab page. I can continue where I left off. Or I can open up a specific page or a set of pages. So currently it's set to open up google.com website. So I can go ahead and change this, or I can add new pages. So we'll go ahead and change this to something else. So let's go ahead and make this to bbc.com. And now when I go back and return to my Google Chrome browser, the website bbc.com will open up, as that is what I've set on Startup. And there you go guys, that is how to open a specific page on Startup on your Google Chrome browser.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. And